Hello friends, welcome to another video of mine. In today's video I'm going to make a summer sunset eye look using the Huda Beauty Coral Obsession palette. As you can see, this has got very nice summery shades. So this is my first time trying hands on this one. It has got nice yellow, orangey, reddish shade. So I just thought of creating a nice sunset sort of eye look. I've already done my brows and just finished with the base. So I'll just straight away move into the eye look. For this, I'm using again a fluffy blending brush from NYX. I've already primed my eyes. So just placing it all over the crease. And I'm just using this angled brow brush and taking the red shade from here to create a wing. We're just going to create a wing. Or you can say, I'm just outlining my crease. Now taking this Zoeva 231 brush, just going to take the orangey shade from here and just going to smudge the line. Some more. Now we are just using the MAC 239 brush and I'm taking the yellow shade from here. It's a nice sunset yellow. And just placing all over the lid, as you can see. This is a very nice yellow shade, very good for summer and creating eye look, the colorful one. So I'm just taking this one. Not happy with this brush, so I'm just using this brush is from Tarte. Now I'm just going to quickly take this orangey shade on the same fluffy side of the brush. I'm just going to place it on my outer corner. Just want, you can see. Yes. Now taking this shimmery shade from here, using my fingers, just placing it on. You can see. Pencil brush from here, taking the red shade and just going to intensify a bit. Taking the same red shade, we're just going to place you can see, just smudging it from the same 231 brush. Taking no more color, I'm just going to smudge the line. That's it, guys. Now we are going to check. This was my foundation left from, so I'm just taking the same, just trying to clean the edge. just to make a line more precise. For the inner corners, I'm using this one. If you want, you can use from the same eyeshadow palette, or because for some more gold effect, I'm taking the Laura Geller highlighter. That's it, guys. And the same I'm going to put in the brow bone. That's it for our eye look, guys. That's it, guys. Behind the camera, I've just finished my other eye, and I've just applied the Tarte brown eye pencil. That's it, and a mascara from Benefit. So now I'm using the Benefit Hoola bronzer. This is a very well-loved bronzer, suitable for a lot of skin tones. The best part of this bronzer is it really blends seamlessly without any much of effort. So just not bronzing too much. For highlighter, I'm using the Laura Geller with WhatsApp, a combination of these two. Just mixing it around. I'm taking this brush, just lightly dusting the highlighter. For blush, today I'm using again from Benefit. This is the California. Just taking slightly, tapping, because it's a nice orangey blush, so I thought it will quickly, nicely go with the eye. So not taking too much, just patting it around. So for the lip, today again I'm using this Demi Matte lipstick from Huda. This is again in the shade Shiro. And just to create a gradient effect, I'm using this shade from the Huda palette and just placing it on the center. That's it, guys. I'm just finishing it off. So this was my eye makeup look for today, guys, using the Huda Beauty Coral Obsessions palette. Hopefully you love this eye look, and see you again in my next video, guys. And yes, please take a moment to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. See you again. Bye.